आज हम पढ़ने वाले हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3 की नाजिम एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर की क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारा, डिस्क्राइब द प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय द वीमियर रिपब्लिक। ये पूछ रहा है कि वीमियर रिपब्लिक ने कौन कौन से प्रॉब्लम फेस किए थे। तो आंसर देखते हैं। द प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय वीमियर रिपब्लिक वेयर एज फॉलो। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द वीमियर रिपब्लिक हैड टू साइन द ह्यूमैनिटी ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल। सेकंड पॉइंट है, दिस रिपब्लिक कैरीड द बर्डन ऑफ वार ग्लूट एंड वाज फाइनेंशियली क्रिपेंड बाय बिगिन फोर्स टू पे कंपनसेशन। थर्ड पॉइंट है, hyperinflation made the German mark values and caused immense hardship for the common man। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में पूछ रहा है, डिस्कस व्हाई नाजिम बिकम पॉपुलर इन जर्मन बाय 1930। तो जर्मनी में 1930 में नाजिम कैसे पॉपुलर हुआ था, उसी का आंसर देखते हैं। In 1919, Hitler took over the German Worker Party and called its Nazi Party, giving birth to Nazism in Germany. Second point है, during the Great Economic Depression, Nazism became very popular. Third point है, Nazi propaganda which very unique and hence making Nazi very popular. Fourth point है, in his powerful speech, Hitler promised to build a strong nation, restore the dignity of Germans and provide employment for all. Fifth point है, the red banner, the Nazi salute and the round of applause attract the people and Nazism become very popular. Sixth point है, the German people who were shattered after the first World War believe him। तो इन सब कारणों की वजह से नाजी जर्मनी में पॉपुलर हो गया। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द पेक्यूलियर फीचर ऑफ नाजिंग थिंकिंग। तो आइए देखते हैं आंसर। द पेक्यूलियर फीचर ऑफ नाजिंग थिंकिंग, फर्स्ट बिलीव इन रेशियन हेरिडिटी एंड लिविंग स्पेस। सेकंड पॉइंट है, नॉर्डिक जर्मन आर्यन वेयर एट द टॉप ऑफ वेरीफाइड टॉपर रेशियन स्टेटस वेयर एट द ज्यूस वेयर एट द बॉटम। पॉइंट है, द बिलीव दैट ओनली स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रेस would survive and grow. Fourth point, there was no equality between people and only racial hierarchies. Fifth point, in these hierarchies German Aryans were at the top and the Jews at the low। सब विशेषताएं थी नाजी की सोच की। Question number 4, explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating hatred for Jews. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. The most infamous film was Intolerant Jews. Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. They were shown with the flowing beards, Waking captain, they were referred to as Burman's rat and pest. Their movement were compared to those rodent killer of Christ and money lender. Stereotype about Jews were popularized even through match classes. Children were taught to hate the Jews. The Nazi propaganda against the Jews was so effective that people felt anger and hatred surge inside them when they saw someone who looked like Jew. Question number 5, explain what role women had in Nazi society. Return to chapter 1 on the French Revolution. Write a paragraph comparing and contrasting the role of women in the two periods. Motherhood was the only goal they were taught to reach for, apart from performing the stereotype function of managing the household and being good wife. This was in stark contrast the role of women in the French Revolution, where women led movement against fought for right education and equal wages. Question number 6, in what way did Nazis seek to establish total control over its people? Answer, after becoming the Chancellor of Germany 1993, Hitler captured on power in the following ways. The Nazi state seek to establish total control over its first point. On political parties and trade union were banned, except the Nazi Party and its affiliates. Second point, the state established total control over the economic, media, army and judiciary. Third point, Germany became almost police state, special surveillance security for secret स्टेट पुलिस गैपिस्टो वेयर क्रिएट टू कंट्रोल सोसाइटी। यहाँ से चैप्टर 3 का सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर खत्म हो जाता है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए फॉर अच्छे वीडियो के लिए।